This is my sister Jackie. One year for my birthday, she surprised me with a trip to Europe. The year after, she brought me a Cartier ring. Usually the only thing I can afford as a present is a candle. But this year, I decided to throw her a whole weekend of surprises.
Day to you. Gimme a man after midnight. Won't somebody help me chase the shadows away?
I literally had to refilm this because in the last part that I started this video, you could see my hairy armpits. And that's just not okay. So anyway, I am currently at the airport. I've just parked somewhere. I don't actually know if I'm allowed to park here, so hopefully it's all fine. I am about to pick Jackie up. It's like 9 o'clock right now, so it's gonna be such a fun weekend. She literally has no idea. I'm so excited to pick her up and see her. So yeah, it's gonna be really, really good. Hello. Hi. Hi.
My favourite place.
Shut up, girl.
Yeah, because you're here. I was in business class today.
Were you? We paid for it. What are you talking about? I need to pee. We're about to do a mountain walk. Oh God. Come. Guys, wish me luck. I haven't even explained what we're doing. We're currently on a mountain walk. Kind of like in the jungle.
Now this 1, 2, 3 is going to be like a bit of a medium challenge. Just get down to that one. That's going to be hard. It's a 1-2 step. Please don't break an ankle. Yeah, now jump to that one quickly and then hold on.
I can't do that.
You won't be able to do 2.
Why?
So try and put your foot to that one and you're going to have to go.
I'll slip.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's it. Now that big one. And now this one to this one. Put up a bit higher. That's it. Ah! That's it.
Oh my God. Hello you guys. It is currently T-minus I don't know how many hours until Jackchella basically. So today is Thursday. I have so much to do today. I woke up at 6, went to the gym, and I'm just finished up at the gym, so I think it's like 7:30 now. I need to drive to Officeworks, which is kind of far away because I need to pick up something that I got printed for the yacht. I have literally so much to do, so much cooking and planning for the big weekend ahead. Jackie has no idea what's going on. She's just gonna have a chill day. I have a big day of cooking because it's actually my dad's birthday today. So I feel kind of bad because I'm like planning like Jackchella, which is Jackie's birthday weekend, if I haven't even told you guys what that is. We're doing a Jackchella when it's literally my dad's birthday, but sorry Dad. Tomorrow is Good Friday, so we're going to my uncle's house. So I have to like cook a lot of stuff for that, and then I need to like make and buy all the food for the yacht on Saturday because the supermarket is actually closed on Good Friday. So I need to get all the food for Saturday and for Thursday and for Friday today. Let's go. It's a big day. I hope this all makes sense. Okay guys, I'm at Officeworks now. I'm about to go pick up the garland. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, I just picked up the photos. Let me find one where she won't be as embarrassed. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought the paper that I ordered was like a bit thicker. This is like, it still feels kind of thin. It's thicker than normal like printing paper, but I thought it was going to be a bit thicker, but that's okay. Basically, I'm going to cut these out and make them like a garland. Alright guys, if you know me, you know I love going to the supermarket and buying stuff. I don't know why, I just have an obsession with the supermarket, but honestly, there is so much to buy and I'm scared I'm forgetting it all. So hopefully we're fine. I just had to go to Woolworths because Coles didn't have everything that I needed, and I still forgot to buy zinc, which I needed for Sunday for games day, which I haven't even told you guys about. But we'll get that. The supermarket's back open on Saturday anyway, so it's fine. But oh my god, it is literally so packed. It's a Thursday, so people should still be like working and stuff. I forget how like packed supermarkets get when like it closes for one day. Like it's reminding me of like Christmas. Got to the second supermarket. I'm now gonna drive home, and baking and cooking will commence. The only problem is there's a lot of like food that is for the boat on Saturday, and Jackie doesn't know about that yet. I need to like hide that food from her. Ordered cookies for Jackie's birthday. I look disgusting. They're so cute. Guys, they look so good. So I have been baking for a while now. I've just made one of the cheesecakes and I'm now making the second one. I'm making a mini egg cheesecake. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm here to update you. I just spent the whole day cooking. I haven't vlogged anything, but basically it's Thursday. I cooked spinach and ricotta cannelloni and cheesecakes for tomorrow for Good Friday, because tomorrow we're going to my uncle's house for Good Friday, but my mum is currently out and whispering because Jackie's downstairs, but my sister and Alex are on their way. My mum just picked them up from the airport. My sister has no idea they're coming. This is like the first surprise of many. I don't think she has like any idea what's happening, but I'm just gonna like keep surprising her. So yeah, they're gonna come over tonight. We're having a Mexican feast, I'm calling it. Not really, just we're having Mexican, and we're gonna watch the footy. We're watching Collingwood and Gold Coast or Brisbane Lions, one of them. So yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. And I just exfoliated all my tan off because I want to re-tan tonight, so I feel really naked. But yeah, that's what's happening. Alright guys, so taco's been assembled. I need to get the... Oh, that actually looks good. I've just started doing the tacos. Nachos are in the oven. And are you doing meat? Yeah, that's in the cupboard. I meant in the fridge. Do you want to get it out? Yeah, in this fridge.
And what happens when you're in a good team? You trust your teammates. If there's a contest and you go, you know what, we're going to win this more often than not.
Where'd the chicken? I was coming to get the mince. I wanted dinner.
Two biggest chickens.
This is surprise one of the weekend.
What?
Because I would like to tell you
Oh, that nearly just fell. I've got the mince still.
this weekend is called Jack Challa. So that's surprise one. Right guys, this is the spread. Dig in everyone. So Rusty's deaf. So Jess is signing to him.
And he said thank you.
Signing and farting at him.
Oh, wait.
What did you ask him before? He wanted.
Rusty,
That pisses myself every time.
I don't know how to say want though.
What?
You don't know how to do it.
Oh, yes.
But
Do it
as if
again.
Chicken, as if chicken in sign language is this. I just don't know how to say one. I know everything else. Just don't know how to say one. That is not how you say one.
Do it again.
That is not how you say one. Just it must just be leaking out and you're just
not.
oblivious. You had one too many gins. That is your. It's like if you give me a cheeseburger from McDonald's, I'll be able to pick it out of 25 million cheeseburgers.
not my
You give me a
fault.
fart from your butt, and I can pick it out in a lineup of 1,000 women. It comes straight from your.
I don't think dairy.
Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip.
Hooray!
We're going to report them one by one.
So just like them, or you can just go and go.
Good morning, everyone. I had my breakfast. Say hello. I am starting the cooking prep for today. It is Good Friday and we're going to my uncle's. Mum is cooking bacon and eggs. I have some pasta cooking for pasta salad. I haven't washed my tan off, so mind that. I have some sweet potato for the salad cooking. Mum's cooking bacon and eggs. And I'm going to get started on the bruschetta. Mum's giving Alex his... Do you want any tomato barbecue sauce?
No, that's magnificent.
Alright guys, I've just finished the food. So we have the 2 salads that I made, the bread because I'm making bruschetta, but the rest is in the cupboard, the fridge. I am now going to go have a shower, wash my tan off and get ready. Tan has been washed off. I feel like myself again. Now time to do makeup. Carly's home from work. Hello. Let's do some makeup, bitches. I'm doing Alex's makeup first. What would you like? What color eye?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, perfect.
I want to look like a mermaid.
Amazing. I love that.
Give me the scissors.
No, there is no way. Don't cut my hair, my beard.
Trust game loser.
No, beard.
This is your
This is not beard.
darling.
This
I'm
is
not-
sideburn.
Yeah, and I'm
Beard,
not, I'm not
sideburn.
cutting that.
Okay,
I'm not
fine.
cutting
There you
that.
go.
Okay, move your hand, and if you be a good boy, I'll give you a lollipop.
What are you trying to do? You're not going to shave my
got-
face. No.
You've got beards coming off. Just
Do this. You just wave it past. No. If you go even more than a millimeter deep, you're getting head butted. No.
your chin looks extra large.
I wish I had a girlfriend that knew how to do anything. Consider yourself lucky.
Guys, I am ready. I'm off to get petrol because we need to take 2... Oh, shit. Because I have stuff in here. We need to take 2 cars today. I have told Jackie that she has her second surprise today, so her friends are coming in, which I'm so excited. Okay guys, we are in the car. I have some cheesecakes down there. I'm just filming my feet. What are you holding?
Cannelloni.
What are you holding?
I actually don't know.
Cannelloni.
Cannelloni as well.
So we are on the way.
It's
We've got the cheesecakes. We've all arrived. Ali's trying an oyster for the first time. Kilpatrick.
How do I do it?
Well, you get, yeah, ready? Go.
We got
Straight in. Tip it in. Is the oyster itself hot? No.
That was good. That was yum.
Come on, Jackie.
All right, Carly's trying a natural oyster.
Pour it in.
I'd rather do it.
It's just lemony.
Just think it's a vodka shot.
Yeah, it's just lemony. It's really nice flavour.
Yeah, so
see?
that's actually good.
I told
Wow.
you. It's really nice.
That's a lot better than the other one. They're nice.
So straight in. It's really nice and fresh, lemony. Beautiful. See? You got to try new things. Beautiful fit, like salty. And it's not snotty. It's just like chicken. Like the same consistency.
All right, I'm trying a scallop. Are you meant to chew it?
Yeah. You're supposed to chew all food. There's not many foods you're supposed to just switch.
Unless you want to choke.
What?
I didn't get it.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It just weirds me out.
But it's not.
Oh, no,
It's no worse.
He's going again.
How do you feel?
Excellent! Terrible! I brought shame to my state.
This is my screen recorder. Good.
Speech.
Speech. When's dessert coming out?
It's dessert. Guys, it's currently late at night and I'm about to wake Jackie up. Jackie. It's time for surprise number 2. You need to get up. You can sleep in the car. Alright guys, what time is it? It's not even that late, but we're dead because we've been up really early. But it's time for surprise number 2 of Jack Chella. Put on your blindfold, you can go to sleep while I drive.
You have to, Jacqueline.
Blindfold is on. Surprise number 2 is about to commence. Jackie is still blindfolded. Alex is in the back. I just parked somewhere random and I'm gonna reveal what the surprise is soon.
I feel like that was a plane. That's a plane.
That's not a plane. Alright guys, we're here. Jackie heard a plane noise, so I started coughing really loudly. We were just waiting for Tab and Chelsea to get here. I honestly got out of the car because I actually low-key needed to, and I didn't want to stink out the car, so TMI. But anyway, Jackie's blindfolded, so I think they're picking up the bag now, so we're gonna go drive over and surprise her. She's blindfolded. She's blindfolded. Oh my god. I can slip into the car and then I'll take her to get her to take her blindfold off. Look at me and I'll take off your blindfold. Surprise!
Oh wow, that was a long journey.